Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the YANCONGLIDEYAN Stand for Ps5 Slim. This accessory is designed specifically for the PlayStation 5 Slim, whether you own the disc or digital edition. And it promises to enhance both the stability and cooling of your console when placed horizontally. The stand comes in a set of two and features a simple, lightweight design. Its primary function is to provide a secure horizontal placement for your Ps5 Slim, ensuring that your console stays stable on a shelf or in a cubby. This is particularly useful if you're looking to avoid the risk of tipping that comes with vertical placement. The design emphasizes stability, so even during intense gaming sessions, your console remains firmly in place. One of the standout features of this stand is its approach to heat dissipation. By elevating the console slightly, it allows for better airflow around the Ps5 Slim, helping prevent overheating. Both the top and bottom of the stand are fitted with anti-slip silicone pads. These pads prevent the console from slipping or shifting, adding an extra layer of protection for your device. The installation and portability are straightforward. The stand is lightweight and can be set up wherever you game. It's also easy to carry, making it ideal for gamers who travel or move their console frequently. The stand's design is clean and minimalistic, preventing scratches and maintaining the sleek aesthetic of your gaming setup. Overall, the YANCONGLIDEYAN Stand for Ps5 Slim combines practicality with a stylish look. It's not just a functional accessory to keep your console secure and cool, but it also enhances the overall presentation of your gaming area. Whether you're a casual gamer or a frequent traveler, this stand offers a reliable solution for horizontal Ps5 placement. That wraps up our look at the YANCONGLIDEYAN Stand for Ps5 Slim. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more detailed reviews and insights into gaming accessories that make your setup both safer and more stylish.